Easy English practice.
The most common mistakes.
Hey, Alex. I heard you talk to your American friend. How did things go? Hi, Mia. It was a bit difficult. I made some mistakes. What kind of mistakes did you make? Well, I said, I have 20 years instead of I am 20 years old. That's a common mistake. Many beginners do that. And I forgot to use the before internet. I said I use internet. Yes, it should be I use the internet. Another mistake is mixing up he and him. I did that too. I said, I saw he yesterday when it should be, I saw him yesterday. Exactly. And don't forget about contractions. Like I am should be I'm. Right. Any other tips? Also, don't forget to say, he plays tennis. Don't say he played tennis. I also said she can sing instead of she can sing. Yes, that's another common error. And how about I am agree? Oh, you heard me. I already said it instead of I agree. That's a good one. Another mistake is saying I am boring. Oh, I did that. It should be I am bored. That's exactly. And don't forget about I want to go to home. Right. It should be I want to go home. Great. Any other mistakes? Yes, I said, he told me that he will come. Instead of he told me that he would come. Good catch. Right. I need to practice that more. Any other tips? Listen to the next section. It is full of common mistakes that most beginners and some professionals make as well. Great idea. I'll do that.
Now,
Repeat the sentences. Don't say I have, 25 years old. Say I am, 25 years old.
And don't forget about contractions, like I am should be I'm. I am 25 years old.
Don't say I have lived here since 5 years. Say I have lived here for 5 years.
I have lived here for 5 years.
Don't say I am agree. Say I agree.
I agree.
Don't say I will call to you. Say I will call you.
I will call you.
Don't say, can you borrow me a pen? Say, can you lend me a pen?
Can you lend me a pen?
Don't say, I'm interested in football. Say, I'm interested in football.
I'm interested in football.
Don't say, he is married with her. Say, he is married to her.
He is married to her.
Don't say, I didn't went to the party. Say, I didn't go to the party.
I didn't go to the party.
Don't say, I look forward to meet you. Say, I look forward to meeting you.
I look forward to meeting you.
Don't say, he explained me the problem. Say, he explained the problem to me.
He explained the problem to me.
Don't say, I want that. You help me. Say, I want you to help me.
I want you to help me.
Don't say, I need to go to home. Say, I need to go home.
I need to go home.
Don't say, she is more better than him. Say, she is better than him.
She is better than him.
Don't say, I'm looking forward for the weekend. Say, I'm looking forward to the weekend.
I'm looking forward to the weekend.
Don't say, if I will see him, I'll tell him. Say, if I see him, I'll tell him.
If I see him, I'll tell him.
Don't say, let's discuss about this. Say, let's discuss this.
Let's discuss this.
Don't say, she said me, that she was tired. Say, she told me that she was tired.
She told me that she was tired.
Don't say, he is good in playing tennis. Say, he is good at playing tennis.
He is good at playing tennis.
Don't say, he have a car. Say, he has a car.
He has a car.
Don't say, he has 2 children. Say, he has 2 children.
He has 2 children.
Don't say, I'm thinking to go to the gym. Say, I'm thinking of going to the gym.
I'm thinking of going to the gym.
Don't say, she don't like pizza. Say, she doesn't like pizza.
She doesn't like pizza.
Don't say, I very like coffee. Say, I really like coffee. Or, I like coffee. Very much.
I really like coffee. I like coffee very much.
Okay, these are some mistakes, not all of them.
Great! Any other tips, Mia? Yes, try to listen carefully and repeat what you hear. It helps with pronunciation. Thanks for all the tips, Mia. You're welcome. Let's practice together more often.